Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel, Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about parasitic adaptation of Ascaris. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So their body is covered externally with resistant cuticle and it also secretes anti-enzymes. Both of them protect the worm from the digestive enzymes of the host. So we already know that they reside inside the small intestine and which is full of different digestive enzymes. They need to protect themselves from the harmful effects of these enzymes. Hence they have the very hard and protective cuticle that is resistant, and also they secrete anti-enzymes so they can survive inside the intestine easily. Adhesive organs are not found in them, which is compensated by their ability of locomotion, which maintains its position in the intestine of the host and also counteracts the intestinal peristalsis. Although they don't have adhesive organs, but they can move. And since they reside in the gut, their continuous peristaltic muscular movement occurs. They need to move to counteract this peristaltic movement. Otherwise, they will be flushed out. So they can move easily. As it feeds on digested food of the host, its alimentary canal is simple. So basically, where they reside, they stay inside the intestine. Hence, they get partially digested food already. That's why its alimentary canal is very simple. They don't require complex functional alimentary canal since they already take partially digested food. The muscular pharynx helps in ingestion of food particles through its sucking action. So it has the muscular pharynx which helps it to ingest the food particles. It can suck easily. The function of absorption, transport and distribution of food, oxygen and waste products is served by pseudocoelomic fluid. Therefore, there is no need of circulatory system. So basically they do not have any circulatory system. Actually they don't require it. They have the fluid, that is the pseudocoelomic fluid, which helps in transportation and distribution of food, oxygen and waste products. And the mode of respiration is anaerobic because it lives inside the intestine of the host, which is fully deficient of oxygen. So we know that our gut, in the pipeline of the gut, it doesn't have oxygen. That's why they have anaerobic respiration. Sense organs are very poorly developed because it lives well protected inside the human intestine. So why they will have sense organs? They don't require it. They are already very well protected inside the human intestine. So they basically don't require any sense organ. Production of huge number of eggs compensates the wastage that takes place during their transfer from one host to new host. Since their eggs get released in the environment, there is a high chance for the eggs to be degraded. Hence, they produce huge number of eggs so that few of them at least get a chance to survive. Okay, in this way they can maintain their generation. The hard shell covering of the eggs protect the developing larvae from environmental hazards. So since the eggs are there in the environment, so they have a very protective hard shell that actually protects them from different environmental hazards. The eggs being very small in size are easily dispersed. So their eggs are very small. That's why they get easily dispersed. That means they get more chance uh, to survive, to get hatched. Mode of direct infection due to absence of secondary host from the life history has increased the chances for larvae to reach a fresh human host. So basically they have only one host, that is the human. They don't have any secondary host, which is actually better because the transmission is fast. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you liked the lecture. Thank you for watching my video.